Hi guys, it's a beautiful day to show you this new listing we've got coming up. It is a large 3-bedroom detached property on Newlands Avenue in Eccles M30. As you can see, it's got a driveway to the front, 2 cars. Let's take a look inside. So as we go into the property, we go into a porch, which leads on through to the entrance hallway. On your right, we have a large lounge complete with a bay window to the front, and then patio doors to the garden at the rear. And back through from the hall leads onto this fitted kitchen. Just a nice bright space, as you can see. Then the garage has been converted for use as an extra living and kitchen utility space to the side. And then there's also a separate dining room to the rear as well, which also provides access to this beautiful garden at the rear. As you can see, the garden benefits from later lawn grass, mature plants and paving, and is a real sun trap, as you can see. The property benefits from being within easy access to transport links throughout Manchester, including through to Eccles, through to Earlham, and within easy access to the motorway with direct access into Manchester city centre as well. As we head upstairs, from the landing on your first left, we have a large 5-piece bathroom suite. Then straight on over, we have the 3rd bed. The main bedroom just through here, which is a large double, complete with fitted furniture. And then we have the 2nd bedroom just through here, which is also a double bedroom. Properties in this location are always very popular, and there's plenty of space for a growing family. It would be ideal for someone looking to put their own stamp on a property as well. Get in touch to secure your viewing today.